In this video, I'll be showing you how to give Robux to friends on Roblox Mobile. This allows you to send people Robux. To send someone Robux, they will need to have an item for sale. This can be a pass, shirt, or anything else. Making a pass is the easiest option, so I'll be showing you how to do that. Start by opening your browser. Any should work, then go to the Roblox website. Tap on the Continue in Browser text, then sign into your account. Select Create from the top. Alternatively, select More in the Roblox app, then find and select Create. Tap on the 3-line button to open the side menu, then select Creations. Select an experience. You should have a default experience which will work. Open the side menu again, then scroll down and select Passes from the monetization options. Click the Create a Pass button. You can click the Change button to give your pass a custom image, but this isn't needed. Select the name box, then give your pass a name. Scroll down and tap on the Create Pass button, then wait for the page to load. Tap on your pass to select it. You may need to tap on it twice. Open the side menu, then switch to the sales page. Turn on the Item for Sale setting, then select the default price box. Enter in the amount of Robux that your friend will be sending you. Keep in mind, whenever you make a sale on Roblox, you will only receive 70% of the total amount. Uncheck the Enable Regional Pricing option, then tap on the Save Changes button. Open the side menu, then select Back to Passes. Open the side menu again, then select Settings. Scroll down and find the Privacy option, then set it to Public. Scroll down again and select Save Changes. If you can change the privacy to public, then you may need to complete the questionnaire first to give your experience a rating. You can do this by tapping on the Learn More button, then select Manage and follow the steps. Click the cross at the top to close. Now the person sending Robux will need to purchase the pass. Open the Roblox app, then select the friend you want to send the Robux to and swipe up. Scroll down and tap on the View Full Profile button. Once the page loads, select Creations, then select the experience used to make the pass. Scroll down to the store heading, then tap on the Robux amount for the pass you want to purchase. Select Buy, and the Robux will be sent. The Robux will now appear as pending Robux on the person's account and should become available within a few days. Another option is to use the Robux to purchase something in-game using the gifting feature. This will stop you from losing the 30% when sending your friend Robux, as the item will be purchased in full. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.